Good morning, Aviti. This is La Cocina de la Abuela, and we're going with our sandwich number 23 on the list, the Serranito. They say it's the sandwich from Seville, but I think it's from all of Andalusia, so it's the sandwich of the south. Let me know in the comments if it's from Seville or from all of Andalusia. We start with the pepper, an Italian green pepper that we cut up like this. We go to a pan with olive oil, and we're gonna fry the little pepper. There it is. It won't take long. And adding a bit of salt will help it sweat, cook faster, and turn out better. Pork loin, 2 thick slices. We're going to grill them on both sides. As you can see, it's fresh pork loin, not marinated. Be careful. Next ingredient, freshness, tomato. Half a tomato is enough. And with the rest, I'm going to make a salad with that little lettuce I have there. All right, some thick slices, just the way I like them. Now for the bread, about 1/4 of a baguette. If you're really hungry, half a baguette. Let's open it up. What kind of bread do you think is best for this sandwich? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to use one of those baguettes they sell at the gas station. Put the hot pork loin on top. It's going to give the tomato an amazing touch. And these look incredible. Wow, they look awesome. Let's add the fried peppers, nice and warm. On top of the meat, it's going to make it juicier. It's going to give it a nice bite. This is amazing. Last ingredient, Jamón Serrano. How about that? A few slices, I prefer them thin, and I don't remove the white part because that's the tastiest. So I'm going to place them here, you see? So, since the peppers are hot, the fat from the jamón is going to melt and give our sandwich an incredible touch. That's the big trick. Once you have it, consider what you want on the side. Your sandwich, some fries. That's the classic good homemade fries. If you want something else and you're more into vegetables, then a salad, that's fine too. We put the fries there, the side peppers, and to the table it goes. There you have it. Serranito, a sandwich from the south or from Seville? I don't know. You tell me. Yeah. Super good, full of flavor. It's prepared really quickly, and it's one of my favorite sandwiches. That's guaranteed.
Live your life too. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and turn on notifications for upcoming videos.